Hello everyone. Hello Mora, Tristan, Kania. Hello, how are you today everyone? I'm fine. Okay, how about you Kania? How are you today?
I'm fine.
I'm fine. Okay, Tristan. What are you doing, Tristan? Where is Tristan? Tristan, are you there? Well, okay. Hello, Mona and Kania. How's the weather at your house today?
It's raining.
How's the weather at your house, Kania?
In my house, it's raining.
Ooh, in your house, it's rainy. Okay, what about you, Kania? How's the weather at your house?
Sunny.
Sunny. Okay, hello Tristan. Nada.
Wah, siapa?
Okay,
Hello.
Tristan and Nada, how are you today, Tristan? Nada?
I'm fine.
I'm fine. What about you, Tristan?
I'm fine.
I'm fine. Okay. So, how's the weather at your house, Nada and Tristan? Sunny. Okay. Okay. Well, have you had lunch? Have you had lunch?
Yes.
What did you eat for lunch today? I ate fish. How about you?
Fish.
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 I
Ikan
eat
lele.
fish. Oh, catfish.
I eat fish too. I eat fish too.
Oh, we eat fish.
Yes. And with rice and vegetable.
Yes, with rice and vegetable.
And vegetables and rice.
Okay, well, everyone, let's start our class today by pray based on our religion. Pray begin. Okay, well, do you have any questions, everyone, about our lesson, our previous lesson? Yes?
Wait, Miss, I want to go to toilet.
Okay. But I think you want to ask me, Tristan.
No, I don't want to ask you. I want to pick.
Okay, what about you, Mara? Do you have any question?
I have. Yes,
I
I have.
Okay, so from Mora, what is your questions? What do you want to ask? Hmm?
We don't draw.
Oh, do you want to draw? Okay, well, what about Nada? What is your questions? What do you want to ask to me? Hmm.
I don't know.
Don't know? Okay, well, I'm going to share a screen, everyone. This one is okay. Whiteboard. I have whiteboard here, not a blackboard.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, gambar.
Wait, everyone, I will disable the annotation first. Okay. So wait. Hello. Oh, what is Aisa? Aisa, how are you today, Aisa?
I'm fine today.
Okay, where were you, Aisa, yesterday?
I go to Samarinda,
Oh, you go to Samarinda. So, where are you now?
Balikpapan.
Oh, okay.
Yay!
Did you ask permission to Miss Ellen, Aisa?
What?
Going.
Did you ask permission to Miss Ellen if you didn't join class?
I'm forget.
Oh,
Why
okay.
have line is have
Okay, wait. How many people here? Tristan. Okay, I will give the name Tristan is here. Tristan. And then here is Kania. Here is Nada. I will not give you Mora.
Miss, I want to toilet.
You want a toilet?
Yes.
Okay, you wanna go to toilet. Mora here. And I will give Aisa here. Okay, well, everyone, do you still remember about our lesson yesterday? It's about uncountable and countable. Okay, can you give me an example with uncountable, everyone? Uncountable.
Like sand,
Sand,
honey,
honey,
milk,
milk, sugar,
salt,
salt. Okay, what about
chocolate,
countable? Chocolate. Okay, what about countable?
pencil,
Countable. Book,
pencil,
pencil,
pen,
pen,
TV,
TV. What about candy?
candy.
Okay.
Uncountable. Is uncountable.
Okay. What about pen?
Pen is countable.
Okay.
It's
Well,
countable.
Aisa, our lesson yesterday is about countable and uncountable. Okay. Do you know, Aisa, about uncountable and countable?
Yes, I cannot see. I click to observe.
Aisa?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Do you know about uncountable and countable?
No.
No? Okay. Uncountable is something that you cannot count it. As like sugar. Can you count sugar?
Nggak bisa ngitung.
No. So, uncountable is like a sugar, salt, rice.
Benda yang tidak bisa dihitung.
Yeah. And
Oh.
for countable is something you can count it. It's like pen. Can you count a pen?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, pen and book. What about book?
Yes.
Okay, yes. So now I'm going to ask you to draw something here that you can count it. So I ask you to draw about countable. Okay, everyone? You can draw a pencil there, TV or book. Yes.
Itu nggak ada garisnya atas.
There is.
Itu.
It's too short.
Oh, oke. Okay. Tutup. Ronda.
This one. Done. Okay. Okay. So now let's draw on your box.
Let's go. Ini nggak bisa.
Okay. You can do it, everyone.
Oke.
Okay, let's try.
apa?
Let's draw about countable. Countable, everyone. Let's draw about countable.
I want draw is.
Yeah, you can draw a pen or a pen. Oh, Kania, you cannot do it. Okay, Kania, you can see on your screen, on your laptop. Do you use your laptop?
Yes.
There is few option on the top. Yes. You can click few option. And then click annotation. Klik annotation.
Gambar apa ya? Buku-buku.
Dan Kania? Can you, Kania?
Okay. Hello, Miss.
Hello, Nura. How are you today, Nura? Welcome to the class.
I'm fine.
Okay, well, Nura, let's draw something that's countable. You can count it. Okay, Nura? I will give you in this box. Okay, Nura.
Aku gambar buku.
Okay, Kania, can you use your
Buku and
annotation?
oh, TV. Yes. TV bagus.
Okay,
bagus.
let's try it.
Apa ya?
Okay, Aisyah, great job. Ball. Okay.
Apa ya? Aduh.
Tristan, what is that, Tristan? Mora. Okay.
I want to make an apple.
An apple. Okay.
An
Kania?
apple. An apple.
Kania?
Aku mau gambar apa ya? Yes.
Can you use your annotation as like others?
No. Ya, kan draw. Apa ya?
Let's draw something on your box, Kania. Nura?
Is ball.
Okay, Nura, let's draw something on your box. You can draw a countable noun. Countable noun. You can count it. Okay?
Betul.
Okay, Nura. Can you use your annotation? Okay, great job, Kania.
Want to draw.
You can draw a book as like Nada, or do you want to draw an apple as like Tristan, or do you want to draw a ball as like Aisa? It's great. On Mora, what are you? Okay, Mora, where is your drawing? Where is your picture? Mora, let's Mora. Book. You can draw book. Okay, all of done.
No.
Let's everyone. Okay. Who's drawing here, everyone? It's like kite. Okay, Aisa, great job, Aisa. Okay, you draw again. Oh, what is dog? What is dog? What is dog? That's one dog, not a book. Okay, Tristan.
Nada salah itu. Maaf.
Okay, it's okay. Ask Nada to clear it. Okay, to fix it. Nura, what are you doing? Let's draw something here on your box. That's countable. Countable noun. Countable noun. Countable. That you can count it.
Miss,
Okay.
Saya lagi buat lagi.
Okay.
Is book.
Okay, let's draw it again, Nada.
Apa ya? Bintang.
Star. Can you
Star
count
itu
stars?
uncountable atau countable?
Countable or uncountable, everyone?
Uncountable.
Uncountable, because we cannot count the star, everyone. There is a big star or a small star. I cannot see it clearly, everyone. So that's one is a star is uncountable. Tristan, what is that? Tree. Okay.
want to make a tree.
Okay, so now I'm going to ask you with the question, what is this? Okay, what is this?
Okay. Book.
Let's draw first, and you can, what is this? Okay.
What is this?
What is this? Okay, I'm gonna ask you Tristan, from Tristan, because I see Tristan is done. Tristan, what is this?
Apple.
An apple.
An apple.
This is an apple.
This is an apple.
Okay. What is
The
this,
apple
Tristan?
is so big.
What is this, Tristan? This is
This is an apple.
a.
An
How could it be an? An. We just use or an.
apple.
Okay, so repeat. What is this? This is
An apple.
this is an apple. Okay, so I'm going to pick Aisa. Aisa,
I'm
Yes,
not
miss.
what is this, Aisa?
This is a ball.
This is a ball. Okay, great job, Aisa. Thank you. So now I'm gonna pick Mora. Mora, are you done, Mora?
Yes.
Yes, okay. What is this, Mora?
This is a book.
This is a book. Great job. So what about you, Nada? Nada, oh, what is this, Nada?
A ball.
This is, how to answer?
Ball.
This is a ball. Okay. So now I'm gonna pick Kania. Kania, what is this?
This is ball.
This is a ball. Okay. Nura, what about you? Are you done? No. Okay. Because Aisa has two pictures. So I'm going to ask again. What is this, Aisa?
This is a kite.
This is a kite. Okay, great job. So let's move to Tristan. Tristan, what is this, Tristan?
This is a tree.
This is a tree. Okay, so now let's draw something new again, everyone. And I will give another questions, not what is this again. What is blah blah blah. Okay, let's draw it again, everyone. Let's draw it again. Clear your picture first, everyone. Erase it, okay? Can you?
Ada belum selesai.
Okay, Nura, let's do it. I'm waiting for you. And others, you can draw again. You can draw again, and after this, I will give with another questions, okay? Let's draw countable, yeah, everyone. Countable noun. Countable. Countable.
Okay.
Countable again, okay? Countable.
I'm comfortable.
No. I just want countable.
Okay, comfortable.
Okay.
I want to build a house.
Okay, you want to build a house. Great job. Okay, Nora, done. Okay, Nora, let's answer my questions. What is this, Nora?
It is flower.
This
The flower is.
Okay, this is flower. Okay, great job, Nora. So now, Nora, you can clear your drawing and click and make something again. Okay, I will give my name here, Miss Ida. So I will draw something as well, everyone. Draw it together. Let's continue.
Yang kotak ini punya siapa?
Which one? Oh, that's for the questions. Okay? Okay.
Yang ini?
Which one? empathy. Available for others. Okay, what do you want to draw?
I want hospital.
Okay, you want to draw hospital? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's. What is this? Okay, I erase my name. Miss Ida. Mora, are you done?
Yes.
Do you want to draw others? Oh, ball. Okay.
Juga.
Yes, I want to draw as well. Wait, everyone. I want to draw. I want to draw.
Gambar apa? Ini atasnya genteng, tapi gentengnya nggak bagus. Itu apa, Miss?
What is this, everyone?
Masjid? Masjid?
What is this?
Masjid? Masjid?
No.
I wonder.
Okay, I wanna type. Yes.
Bin? Is bin? Book? Is book? Oh, bookstore.
Bookstore. Oh. Let's draw again, everyone. This is a book. This one as well, a book.
Azan.
Yes.
Miss Ida, warna kuning.
Okay.
Azan.
No.
Oh, bukan.
How could? I'm a girl, everyone. Okay, so yes, near my house, Tristan.
Oh, iya.
Okay, for the first question is what is this? For the second question, what is this?
Gini aja ya.
What is that, Nada? Direction.
Hospital.
Okay. Hospital. Okay. Just imagine that
Pintunya
hospital.
segini. Pintunya segini.
What is okay, I'm going to give a question with what is that? Okay. What is that? Okay. Mora, are you done? I think no. Aisa, are you done? Okay, so if you are done, say to me, and after this, I will ask you with a question. What is that?
Gimana cara gambar? Gambar caranya gimana? Warnain.
Please, Nada, if you use an annotation, there is eraser and format there. Click format and please choose the color.
Oh, iya.
Yes? Okay. Did you find it?
Yes.
Okay. Great job, Nada. Okay. All of done? Okay, I'm gonna ask to Aisa. Aisa, I will ask with what is that? How to answer, Aisa? That?
What?
Okay.
That is the
That is okay. So what is that?
No.
That is pillow.
That is pillow. Okay, so
Pillow.
again, Aisa, what is that?
That is door.
That is door. Okay, great job, Aisa. Thank you, Aisa. So now I will move to Mora. Mora, are you done?
Not done, Miss.
Not done or not yet?
Not done.
Not done. Okay. What about Tristan? Tristan, are you done?
No.
Done? Okay. What is that? Kania, are you done, Kania?
Yes.
Okay, what is that, Kania?
Circle.
That is
That is circle.
a circle. Okay, that is a circle.
H-O-L-L.
Nada, are you done?
No.
No. Okay. So what is that, Aisyah?
That is direction.
Okay, that is direction. Okay. So where is again? Okay, let's everyone. Okay, Nada, are you done?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, Nada. What is that, Nada?
Is hospital.
That is.
Hospital.
Can you repeat after me? That is.
Yes, that is hospital.
Okay, that is hospital. Okay, so what about you, Tristan? Tristan, I'm going to ask you, okay? Tristan, what is that?
Is
That?
this is a house.
Yeah, I asked you with that, Tristan. What is that?
A house.
That is a house. Okay.
Is a
Please,
house.
please answer with a complete sentence, everyone. That is blah blah blah. Okay. Okay. I will give this. Okay. If this is blah blah blah. Okay. If that is
I need.
blah blah blah.
Oh.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now I will ask to Mora. Mora, what is that, Mora?
What is speaker? That is a ball.
That is a ball. Okay, great job, Mora. So are you done for the second picture?
No. Yes.
No, yes, Nada?
Boleh nggak gambar yang di bawah?
Which one? Here?
Yes.
Okay, Nura. Okay, it's okay. Let's Nada. Nura, what is that?
House.
That is?
Is house.
That is house. Okay, great job, everyone. So let's answer my questions together. What is this, everyone?
Bookstore.
This is bookstore.
This is bookstore. Okay, so what is that, everyone?
That is hospital.
Okay, that is hospital. Okay, so now let's see this one. Mora, what is that, Mora?
Oh.
Huh? That is?
Suppose.
Oh, that is a phone. Okay. Okay, thank you, everyone. I will stop share. So stop for drawing. Okay.
I'm done drawing too. I'm done.
Okay, I'm done. All of you done. Okay, our lesson today is about that, this, and that. This one is our.
This, that,
Oh,
this, those.
yes, this, that, these, those. Okay.
That, this and those. This, those.
Okay. So let's repeat after me.
More
These,
than one.
this,
This.
that,
That.
these,
This.
those.
Those.
Okay, so do you know what does it means? What does this means? This mean this.
This is ini.
Okay, this.
Ini.
What about that?
Itu.
Okay, so let's see the example here, everyone. Let's see. I have an example. This is my brother.
This is my brother.
This is my brother.
This is my pen.
This is my pen.
Can you give me an example? This is, can you give me an example? Let's take something around you.
This is a book.
Okay, this is a book. Okay, I have again. This is a flower.
Wow. I have two.
I have two. Okay.
So many.
Okay. So what about you, Aisa? Can you give me an example? Let's take something around
This
you.
toy car.
This is toy cars. Okay. So Nada, this is.
Is book.
Okay, this is a book. Nura,
Book.
this is a book. Okay. What about you, Tristan?
Miss, this and those is more than one.
Okay, yes. After this, I will tell you, okay? Let's make an example verse.
And those.
Great job, Mora. Tristan?
Yeah.
Can you give me an example?
I have this. This is
Okay.
my soul.
Scissors.
My friend.
This is my friend. Others, can you take something around you? It's like me. I take my book. This is my book.
The book is my flower.
This is my... Okay.
The book. This is my iPad. I think.
Okay, great job, Tristan. So now I will ask Kania. Now it's Kania. Kania, can you give me an example? This is
My pencil.
okay. Great job, Kania. This is my pencil. So now, how about that? That I will put my book here. I will put my book here. I say that is book. That is a book.
That is a paper.
Okay, so can you give me your example? Okay.
Scissors.
Okay, great job, Mora.
Bahasa Inggrisnya selimut apa?
This is my bottle.
That is my battle. Okay, what Tristan? What do you want to ask?
Inggrisnya.
You can use picture. Okay, what is?
Bahasa Inggrisnya blanket. Blanket. Oh, blanket. Oh, blanket.
Blanket. Okay.
That is my
That is my
blanket.
blanket. Okay. So what about Nada?
My book. This is my pillow.
That. Let's use that. That.
That is a pillow.
That is a pillow. Okay. What about you, Kania? That. I see door behind you. You can say that is door.
That is wall.
Okay, that is wall. That is wall. This is wall. What about you, Kania? Can you give me an example with that? Do you see the door behind you? Okay, you can say that is door.
That is a door.
Okay, so what about you, Nura?
That is a
That is a that is. Do you see the picture behind you? That is picture.
that is picture. Oh, that.
Nura, I cannot hear your voice clearly. Your voice is too low.
Wait. Hello.
Nura? Tristan, what are you doing, Tristan?
In my blanket.
Yes, done. I can hear your voice clearly. Okay. Let's give me an example with that. That is
That is a pillow.
That is a pillow. That is a picture. Okay, great job, everyone. So let's see. Let's see here. Let's next to here. Ah, I have an example here. I have an example. Let's repeat after me. This is my friend Zil. Liz. Okay. Liz.
That is my friend Daniel.
Okay, that is my friend Daniel playing in the garden.
That is my friend Daniel playing in the garden.
Okay, we use.
Daniel playing in the garden.
Okay, so do you understand about this and that?
Yes, I understand.
Okay,
Yes.
great job.
I understand.
Okay, if you understand, let's see here. Remember, you need to add. Yes.
Tomorrow we draw again.
Tomorrow we don't have class, everyone. Tomorrow it will be free.
Oh
Tomorrow
yeah.
will be Saturday.
I
Okay.
need
Hmm?
and Monday.
Yes, let's meet on Monday. Let's draw again on Monday. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's see here. You need to add is after this or that in the present. So we have to use is after that and this. Okay, for example, my example, this is.
This is.
This is a flower. Hmm. This is a flower. Okay,
This is a flower.
that is a book. So here I have to use is, everyone. And this one as well, I have to use is if I use this and that. Okay, everyone?
Okay.
Okay. So it means that and this, it's for one thing, everyone. One
But this
something.
and those is more than one.
Okay. Okay, as like this one, I have it's the sense as well. This is, and this one, that is. Okay. Okay. Is there any questions still here, everyone?
No.
No. Okay. I will close it. Okay. Let's see here.
Close it.
Ah, let's do it together, everyone. Let's fill in the blanks. Let's switch on your microphone. Okay. This.
My friend Liz.
Okay.
This
This
is
is
my
my friend Liz. Okay.
This is my friend Liz.
What about the second? Those blah 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 my friends playing in the garden. How to answer?
Those are my friends playing in
Those
the
are
garden.
playing in the garden.
Oh.
Those are in the garden.
Those are like this, everyone.
Yes.
Why do you use are, everyone?
Because it's more than one.
Okay, because it's more than one. Okay. How could you know that is more than one, everyone? Okay, because it's those. Great job, Tristan. So now let's move here. Okay, I have something, everyone. I have this one. So how to say, everyone? What is this? This is or this are?
These are.
This are. What about this one? I hold. What is? What is this or what are this?
What are this?
This is a book.
What
This is a book.
is this? Because it's just
She just wake up.
This is
She just wake up.
okay. Hello, Nisa.
Okay. She just wake up.
Hello, Miss.
Hello. How are you today, Nisa? Welcome to the class. Okay, Nisa. Our lesson today is about what is our lesson today, everyone?
Is that
This, that,
this
these, and those. Okay, Nisa. Let's see here. Okay, Nisa. Welcome to the class.
mode
Mute. Okay.
and stop the video.
Yes. Okay. Be careful, everyone. For more than one person or one thing, you use are in the present. Okay. And then we have to use this. This. What is the meaning of this, everyone? This.
Ini.
Okay. What about those?
More than one. Itu.
Okay. So let's see here. Let's see this. This it will use are or is. These. These use. Okay, let's see here. This we use are or is.
Is.
These we use are or is. Really? Are. Okay. Are you sleepy, everyone?
No.
No. It this. This. If I say these. These. Okay. These are my friends Liz and Sarah. Okay. Because my friend it's more than one, there are two. So we have to use these are. Okay. And this one. Those are my friends Daniel and Nick playing in the garden. So we have to use those with are as well, everyone. With are. Okay. So now I will give another example. Let's see here. These are three pens. These are these are three pens. Okay, can you give me another example, everyone, from these are? Let's use these are. Let's give me an example on the chat box.
What?
Let's give me an example on the chat box.
Okay. With this. Next.
Yeah. Yes.
Guru bahasa.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Example itu apa?
Example. What is example, everyone?
Contoh.
Yes.
Contoh.
Yes. Can you give me an example with this, yeah, everyone? This.
This.
Okay. Let's send on the chat box. Let's do it on the chat box.
This.
As like okay, this one. I have what do I have? I have pen. I have two pens. These are two pens. Okay. Aisa, these are my papers. Okay.
Miss 2 E or 1 E.
Pardon? 7?
17.
17. Okay, 17 like this. 17.
Yes.
Yes?
Jauh apa yang dekat?
It's near. This. Near.
These are 17.
Done? Okay.
Wait.
We use this ya, Nura. This. This one. Okay. This is like this one. These are my flowers. Okay.
This is my.
These are. Let's use this are. Nada, my girl.
I'm done.
Okay, Nisa done. Okay, I will read.
R.
Yes, use are, Nada. Let's use are. These are books. You can say these are books.
I'm done. Yes.
Okay, you are done. Okay, from Aisa. Aisa, these are my papers. Okay, great job, Aisa. It's true, correct.
It's a miss. I'm done.
Okay, I will read it. And Nisa. This one is just now Anisa, Aisa, and now Nisa. These are my pen. Okay, great job, Nisa. So, Mora. These are 17 flowers. Okay, great job, Mora. Tristan. These are my t-shirt. Okay, great job, Tristan. Aisa again. These are my clothes. Okay, great job. There. How could it be there? Nura, let's use this, not there.
Lagi.
Nura,
Yes.
let's change your example. Let's use this.
What is Tristan doing?
Let's use this one. This, not there.
Are you doing, Tristan?
Nisa, this are my supermarket. Do you have supermarket, Nisa? Great job, everyone. Nisa has supermarket.
Supermarket, huh? Again, those.
Okay, so now like this,
That
yeah. Wait, everyone. These are cats.
You can. That is.
Okay, so what about nada? Nada, how could it be nada? These are is. If we already use are without is again. These are my dolls. And we have to use as behind. These are my dolls. Where is Kania? Kania? Okay, done. If you are done, let's make, I have to make an example again with those. Okay, those are two rabbits. So now let's make a sentence, everyone, with those. So now those. Let's use those. Those are those. Okay, Mora, great job. Okay, Mora, you can use as behind pillows.
Okay. I forget.
Okay. For Aisa, you can change it boxes. Use X, E, and S. Okay. Okay, Aisa. Okay, Tristan, those are 3 cats. Great job, Tristan. Okay, Nisa, those are my car. Okay, those are 4 pillows. Okay, excellent. Nura, what about you? Do you understand about our lesson?
Yes.
Can you give me an example, Nura, with those? Can you give me an example? Those are, we use those. Okay, Nisa, good job, Nisa. Those are my pencils. Okay, you can use S behind pencil. Okay, Nada, those are two owls. Okay, everyone.
What's owl? What's owl?
Owl, what is owl, everyone?
Burung hantu.
Yes. What is owl?
Burung hantu.
Nura, are you done? Kania, where is Kania?
I'm done.
Okay, you are done. Those are two. Okay, those are two cats. Okay, great job, Mora. Nura. Okay, so if you have a question, let's ask to me, everyone. Is there any questions?
No. No.
No? Okay, if you don't have a question, I will stop share and I will change it, everyone. Let's fill in the blanks, everyone. Let's fill in the blanks. Let's see here. Wait, everyone.
This is for near us, and that it's so far
This
away.
and those. This, this, that, and those. Okay. Let's see number one. Let's see number one. What will we use, everyone? Is a computer game. Can you see the picture?
This is a computer game.
Computer. Okay, it's more clear. More clear. Okay, so what is the answer from number one? Blah, blah, blah is a computer game. This or that.
This.
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 We use is or are, everyone. Is. Okay, let's see number two. Blah, blah, blah are rollers.
Those.
Those or this?
Those.
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 Those. We use are or is, everyone, for those.
Are.
Are. Okay. Okay, great job. So are you ready for number three?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Let's see number three. And still number seven.
Three.
Number three, let's see. Number three. It's not enough. That is
a camera.
Is a camera.
That is a camera. Okay, for number four.
This is a kite.
This?
Yes.
This is a kite. So what about number five? Blah, blah, blah are balls.
These are balls.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Balls.
Okay.
Yes.
That are balls. Okay, these are balls. So what about number six? Blah, blah, blah are watches.
Those are watch.
Those are watch. Those are okay. So what about number 7? Blah 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 is blah blah blah.
This is a pen.
This is or that.
This
This is a
is
pen.
This is a pen. Okay, everyone. So let's see number 8. Oh, we have number 8 and number 9.
is correct.
Okay, so what about number 8?
Oh,
Blah,
that
blah,
is
blah.
that is
That is
forever.
a eraser.
That is a,
Eraser.
Eraser.
okay, that is an, actually here everyone. An eraser. An, okay, an eraser. So what about number 8, 9?
Those.
Those. Those. Those are
Those are
hairs. Okay, those are chairs. Okay, everyone.
no.
Great job.
That's not those.
Those are this, everyone.
Yes.
Those.
Those are
Yes.
this.
Yes.
This, like this. This
Yes.
are
Those.
chairs. Okay, because here is near, everyone. So these are chairs. Okay, sorry, everyone. So now let's see again. These are okay. Excellent. So now, is there any question till here? Do you have a question in our class? No?
No.
No. So now let's make an example again. Let's show me your something around you with this and those. These and those. I will use these are my pens. How about you?
These are my flowers.
Okay. Okay, great job, Mora. Nanda.
My pants.
Okay, great job, Mora. Nura.
My flowers. These are my pants. Pillow.
Okay, great job, Tristan. So what about you, Nura?
These are my pants. That is a pillow.
What about you, Nisa? These are
A pencil.
okay. If we use are, these are, so it means more than one.
The
We use
pillow.
2 or 3.
There is those are there is a pen. Those are a pillows.
Okay, those are a pillow. So now,
That are my pen.
okay, these are my pen. Okay, okay, excellent, everyone. So now let's make with those. I have flower as well here. Those are my flowers. What about you?
Okay. Done.
Those are
Those are two erasers.
Those are
okay. Those are 2 eraser. Great job, Aisa.
those are my pillows. Those are my pictures. Pillows.
Those are pillows. Okay. What about you, Tristan?
Those are my picture.
Okay. Those are
Those are picture.
okay, Nora. Those are my pictures. The picture more than one.
Those are flowers.
Okay, those are flowers. So what about you, Nada? Nada, what are you doing? Those are.
Are a book.
Oh no, with a. It's more than one, so don't use a. Those are books.
Books.
Okay. Okay, well, everyone, do you have any question till here?
No.
Do you
No.
understand
No.
about our lesson now?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Understand.
If you don't have a question, let's take picture
Let's
together
take
before
picture.
I close the class. Let's take picture together. 1, 2, 3. Where is Nura? Okay, enough for today. Let's close our class by pray based on our religion.
Okay. Berdoa guys.
Done. Okay, well, see you next week, everyone. Happy weekend. Bye-bye. See you, everyone. Have a nice weekend.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.